distinguished subscribers, and welcome to Key to Learning Italian. In this quick video, I'm going to show you the correct way of using the expression stesso, which, depending on the context that it gets used, can either be an adjective, cioè un aggettivo, or it could be an adverb, un avverbio, and it can be used in the singular form, al singolare, stesso, or stessa, or it could be used in the plural form. Then it becomes stessi or stesse. Stesso, when used as an adjective, has to agree with the gender and the number of the noun. So let's see in the examples below. Abitano nello stesso palazzo da 15 anni. They have been living in the same building for 15 years. Stesso palazzo. Here the noun is palazzo, building. Since it's a noun in the masculine gender and singular, we put stesso, lo stesso. We have to use the article lo with stesso, and it becomes in più lo nello, because the verb abitare needs the preposition in, and the preposition in, when used together with the article lo, it becomes una preposizione articolata, and it becomes nello. Let's see another sentence. Parliamo della stessa cosa. We are talking about the same thing. And cosa is a noun in the feminine gender, so we have to put stessa with the article la, and parlare di qualcosa, since it has to be used with the article la, it becomes della. Parliamo della stessa cosa. It has to agree with the gender and the number of the noun, which in this case is the word cosa. Okay, so let's continue with our third sentence. Le stesse regole sono in vigore da anni. The same rules are in vigor for years. And le stesse regole, here the noun is regole, rules. It's a feminine noun, in gender is feminine and plural, so we have to put le stesse, the same rules. I miei amici vengono oggi stesso. My friends are coming precisely today. Here, stesso has the meaning of precisely today. My friends are coming precisely today. I miei amici vengono oggi stesso. Sua madre li sconsiglia di andarci, ma lui ci va lo stesso. His mother advises him against going there, but he goes there all the same. Here, lo stesso means all the same. Sua madre gli sconsiglia di andarci, ma lui ci va lo stesso. His mother advises him against going there, but he goes there all the same. Okay, our next sentence. Il risotto è pronto e se vuoi puoi mangiarne un po' anche domani. Ma lasciamelo dire. Non sarà più lo stesso. The risotto is ready, and if you want, you can eat some of it tomorrow. But let me tell you, it will no longer be the same. Here, lo stesso means the same in English. Il risotto è pronto e se vuoi puoi mangiarne un po' anche domani. Ma lasciamelo dire, non sarà più lo stesso. The risotto is ready and if you want you can eat some of it tomorrow, but let me tell you, it will no longer be the same. So this was our quick video on the use of adjective and adverb stesso. And if you enjoyed this video and want to learn more, I've actually put together a more detailed series of books for you. Actually, a total of 4 ebooks. And if you're interested in checking them out, then you can find the link in the description box. Thank you for choosing to learn Italian with me. See you next time. Bye.